we're gonna try this out. Try this. They feel so like, I feel like it may be a little comfortable. It shouldn't take a lot, right? This here will surprise the heck out of me. Okay, you guys gonna get my honest opinion about how I feel about this too. Have it on. Alicia helped me put it on now. Sorry guys. Let me tell you something. As you see, babe, look, I feel like I'm half man over here, baby, because this bitch got me tight. Like, bitch, let's do this sheet fit thing. This shit ain't moving. You done got me, girl. So this is the way it looks. She got me in. Look.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Are you gonna compare it?
Oh, girl, look how much, girl. This thing here. Now my clothes too big.
Oh shit.
Okay, so this is what we got. When you send me breast products, I'm gonna make sure I do what I can to share it. But I like it because I've never used anything to hide my nipples or anything. I never have. Like, this is the first ever, and girl, she got me sitting up good, baby. Girl, it took years off my breast, girl. Look, like, girl, I got a whole. So this is how it looks now with a shirt on and not my dress. And I like it because it's like, this is a V shirt, like, and I like it. Like, I'm very comfortable, confident with, like, going to this. I don't feel like the tape is gonna come off, or this is bomb. I really like it. Like, I can see myself getting addictive to wearing this because of the way it makes my breasts feel. Forget your bras, because I'm all for this thing right here, girl. I'm all for this thing right here, girl. So this here is the HighOh. All right, HighOh, HighOh. Bomb.com. Bye. See y'all later. Hey.